Hey, it's Eran here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to steal traffic from other websites. Now, I'm going to go through how to do it, and also in a way that it's an ethical way to do it, and I'll show you the software that I use to do it, and also how you could do the same. There are different pros and cons to it, so I'll take you through those at the end. But let me just show you the demo of how it works and what the use cases are, okay? So essentially, this is really applicable to people who, let's say, if you don't have much content of your own, or you want to leverage other people's content, you can actually share other people's articles, blogs, whatever, on your social media or whatever, and then actually steal the traffic to your call to action, basically. So let me show you an example. I've got a client, okay? Her name is Courtney, and her husband, Kyle. And they have a website that they've set up on my software, which is aroundfunnels.com. And she actually had an article written on her as articles on the Daily Mail of Australia, and also she was also on metro.co.uk as well as a mom that basically got back in shape and became a bodybuilder and so on. So she's got a really inspirational, amazing story. And basically, I want to show you what to do. So first of all, the software I use is called Snipely. Now, their pricing is stupid, okay? It is stupid. It is too much. It's overpriced, I think. I actually use the free version, okay? So you could sign up on the free version. I'm not affiliated with them. If anything, I will want to recreate the software, do it a bit better, and reduce the price because I think the price is just ridiculous. I'll even just build it for myself. It's just a bit of a joke. But anyway, the point is here, you could see if I want to remove the branding of Snipely from this, I have to be on this plan. This plan, I have to pay $149 per month just for this. It makes absolutely no sense. But anyway, it is what it is. So just to get that out of the way, sign up, open a free account, and then download the extension. So this is the extension, okay? So what I do is, let me just show you, sorry. So let's go to the article. So this is the article about Courtney. That's the one. And we're going to click the extension, Snipely, create a snip. And then this is the URL. And then I can change the call to action. So I'm going to change it, new call to action. And I have different options. So I'm going to change the brand. I'll change the face. Oh, I have to have more brands. Let's just pretend I'm going to change the face, right? So image, I can't change. Button, text link. Okay. So the button will be check out Courtney's website, or to check out Courtney's website, click here. And then the button, let's go to the URL, copy it, bring it here, replace it, click continue. I can choose the full width. So it's going to be like the full amount, the full thing. I could do it candy style. This is candy style. I could do bean style, which is this. Or I could do social style, which is this. Okay, I'm going to go social. I can't change colors because this is a free plan, so I can't do anything. I'll just do finish the CTA, call to action. And this is it. Now I can copy it. I can't actually change anything on it because that's the link. Like I can't change it because it's locked because I'm on a free plan. Okay. I'm going to now open a new tab, copy and paste it in, and then look at the article and how it looks. So here's the article. I'll move my face over elsewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but here on the bottom, if I didn't have the recorder, you would be able to see it. It's right here. Sorry, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. But basically, this is the article exactly as it is. And here it says, want to check out Courtney's website, and there's my face right here, and then click here. So let's say we click it. Let's click the link. And now it will take you to Courtney's website, basically. So somebody can go through and so on. So this is a great way, because think about it. Somebody's going to read about Courtney and read all the stuff and be like, oh, wow, this chick looks awesome. Yeah, I would like to check out her website. And then you go here, and this is perfect, right? Let me show another example of how you could use this. Share it. I wrote an article on Medium. Okay, now Medium is also, it's a great website to write blogs. And I wrote an article about the knowledge broker blueprint. And I basically kind of uncovered how they've got 45% affiliate commissions, and that affiliates are promoting it because they just want money, and it's kind of it's a little bit greedy in my opinion. And I went over the details and I broke it down and showed exactly how it works, and it's very factual, right? But the thing is that right now there is no call to action throughout anywhere, right? So if somebody's gonna read it and be like, wow, this Eran dude, I like this article, this is good content, right? So then you go here to Snipely or Sniply, however you say that. And then I talk about getting a book called Expert Secrets, right? Get the same content as KBB for free, or for a few bucks. Click here, okay? Now I'm going to link eranbucai.com/expert secrets. I think that's the right link. Let me just make sure. Yeah, it's the right link. Okay. So I'm going to replace the link, snippet, call to action. Want the content of KBB for a few bucks? Let's just go back, actually. From KBB. Doesn't matter. I can change the wording. But you see, this is what it will look like. Click here. I take this. Enter it here. Right? So basically, I'm doing an article that basically tells people, essentially, I'm telling them, look, be very careful about buying KBB. And you actually could get the content from KBB in a book, right? So here's the article, and they're gonna read through it. And Medium is not my website, right? So they're gonna go through it and read it and be like, wow, okay. Yeah, no, I don't want to pay for that. Oh, I can get it for just a few bucks? Okay, yeah, let me click it, okay? Then they click it, all of a sudden, I can make an affiliate commission because I'm promoting Expert Secrets as an example, right? So you could do that on your own blog. You could do it on someone else's blog. You can pick pretty much any website online. Some websites, because of the coding of the backend, actually will not work. So if there is a website that doesn't work, then it does happen. Like, let's just say I want to do Quora. I can show you right now, just an example. If I try to do a snip on a Quora website, their coding is set up, but it blocks it. So you see here, we can't show CTA on this page. And it explains why. It's a bit technical, but it doesn't show. Instagram, same thing. I can't do it on Instagram. But general blogs online, you can check it out. You can do it in 5 seconds with the Sniply Chrome extension. It's pretty straightforward, and that's pretty much it. So now let me take you through quickly the pros and cons. So the pros are, of course, you're leveraging other people's content. You know, it doesn't have to be your own blog. It could be someone else's blog. And then you can basically put content and then cipher them to steal the competition to somewhere else. Another thing is you can share different articles on social media and just say, hey, I read this great article online and, just wanted to share it. And then you share it, right? And then it's not salesy because you're just sharing content. Now, whether they're going to click your call to action or not, that's a different story. But if you do it in a relevant way, then they should, okay? It also means that every article of yours, whether you have a link there or not, whether you have a chatbot or not, you can always add a call to action to every single link you ever do. So if you write a blog and you're like, I don't want to write a blog for the sake of blog, you email it to your list and you can have a call to action because you use the Snipely link. Don't link the article directly, link the Snipely link, okay? So you can add that to anything. The cons is obviously you're not just stealing a website's traffic directly. Like their website is their website. You're just leveraging their website to take traffic away, basically. And also, you're essentially promoting someone else's content sometimes ahead of yours, which is always not always good. But if you don't have a lot of content, it's actually a really smart way to go about it. So if you're a beginning affiliate marketer, this could be a really good little strategy for you just to kind of get started. If you don't have a website, you can literally leverage Medium and write articles on Medium and so on, and then use Medium to share links and so on. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you learned something from this. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, I share content links all the time. This Snipely app is great, but there's different features that are missing to me. But they're in the paid versions, which is like $150 a month. So if you're interested in getting a software that does exactly the same thing for cheaper, leave a comment. Let me know. Hey, I'm interested. I'll create something. I'm thinking $5 a month. I mean, this is just overpriced in my opinion, because I'll build it for me and then I'll happily share it with other people if there's interest in that. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.